Hey, what's up you guys? If you're going to be towing a trailer with your Toyota Highlander, you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by the law. So let's go ahead and break down that install for you. Alright, so Toyota makes it really easy. Right underneath the driver's side storage tray, there is a pre-ready tow harness that we'll be using. To access that, we're going to start by removing the two storage tray covers on both the driver's side and the passenger side. Next, we're going to lift up on the center cargo panel, and we're going to remove this shade right here. All right, now we're going to go ahead and remove this center storage panel. Now, on both sides, there are two clips right here that we'll remove using a trim panel removal tool. And then we're going to pull up and then out to remove that center tray. All right, next we're going to remove the center scruff panel here. We'll be doing that by removing the two pins on the ends. We'll just pull up on the scruff panel and set it aside. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and remove the driver's side storage tray, and we're going to do it by removing these two plastic nuts on the inside. And it should be loose enough where you can get it by hand. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and remove the driver's side storage tray. Okay, with the driver's side storage tray removed, our wiring connector is right at the bottom with all these bundles right here, and we'll go ahead and plug in our harness. Now we're going to go ahead and insert our included 10 amp fuse into our fuse holder. Okay, if you're going to leave your 4-flat harness inside the trunk, you can leave it in one of these compartments. We're going to run it towards our hitch. So right underneath where the storage tray was, there's a grommet. So we're going to remove this grommet. And we'll route our 4-flat harness through that hole. And we're just going to pull it out towards our hitch, and we'll mount it in a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and cut a slit halfway through the grommet. Then we'll put the wires into the slit and put the grommet back into place. And we'll use black silicone to seal the slit. And we'll tuck our converter box and all the wires into this compartment back here. And we'll reinstall the driver's side storage tray. Then we'll reinstall the center scruff panel. And we'll reinstall the center storage tray. And we'll reinstall the shade. And we'll put our side covers back on. All right, now we're going to go ahead and mount our 4-flat wiring harness. A lot of people like to leave it dangling, but that can cause issues with your wiring if it gets caught on anything while towing. So we're going to go ahead and use a 4-flat mounting bracket. This is not included with the kit, but you can purchase this at U-Haul. And we're just going to use a 3/16 drill bit, and we're going to use the bracket as a template to drill the holes. And we'll use the provided screw and nut to hold the first part in. And then we'll drill the second hole. And And we'll tighten it down with a 10mm socket. And then we'll put our dust cover on. And we'll put the 4-flat harness into the bracket. And if you have any leftover slack, you can zip tie it to the bumper bracket right here. Alright guys, so that wraps up our install. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or need more information, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center or visit us at uhaulhitches.com.